Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Color Street nail polish 3 different ways. This first way is you buy this little container from Target. It's usually like $1.89, and you dump out all of the acetone and instead replace with this Color Street nail polish remover. Put it all the way into the container and then stick your fingers in one at a time and rub them against the bristles. If you have glitters, it might take a little bit longer. I'm here removing some really thick glitter, so it takes a little bit longer. Probably about at least a minute, maybe 2 minutes per nail. That's one of my favorite ways. Okay, next up, you're gonna use these lint-free wipes. Those are my favorite to get instead of like a cotton round that sticks to your nails, especially when you have glitter. These are really amazing and you can get them on Amazon. I like to use one of these squares per nail. That's usually enough to get it off because our nail polish remover is amazing. Okay, so we're gonna open up this remover and you're going to fold. I like to fold the square into fourths and then saturate the entire cloth. That way the whole thing is wet. Then I just push it onto one of my nails and leave it there for just a couple seconds so it has time to kind of saturate the nail. And then honestly, immediately you're gonna start seeing some of it come off. And then you just rub your nail. And this honestly is the fastest way to remove it. It comes off really quick. So we're just rubbing, and then it's honestly like magic. All the big pieces of glitter that I have on this nail are coming right off. Make sure you get the sides of it. Sometimes those little glitter pieces stay onto the sides. If you have a solid color, this will take no time at all. And then you're almost finished here. And as you can see, there's really not any fibers or anything like that on the nail, and it's still hydrated. Okay, the last method is the quickest method, and it involves a bag, a Ziploc bag, the nail polish remover, like I said, Color Street's nail polish remover. You're gonna pour in about a tablespoon of the remover into the Ziploc bag, and then you're going to fill any kind of container that you have with warm to hot water. And then you're going to put your hand into the bag and stick the bag into the water, being careful not to get any water into the bag. And then you're just rubbing your fingernails. So as you can see here, you're just using like the pads of your finger to rub the nail. And as you do that, the nail polish is coming off. Now this is a really thick glitter, and so there's still quite a bit left on my nail. So you can either put your hand right back in or take it out and wash them, and then look how amazing your nails look, super hydrated with this amazing nail polish remover. And that was 3 simple ways to remove your Color Street nail polish.